Amazon will pay you in gift cards to recycle your old electronics. Here the secret. If you are a frequent shopper, follow these steps to turn your unused gadgets and gizmos into Amazon gift cards. There are plenty of reasons to shop on Amazon over the coming weeks. Perhaps you are looking to pre-order some of the new hardware the company just announced, or you have your eyes set on some Prime Day hits. No matter what the case is, you cannot say no to Amazon gift cards, right? They are technically not free, but if you trade in old dust collecting electronics that you no longer use to Amazon, the company through its trade-in program will reward you with gift cards and discounts. It's a win-win for you and Mother Nature. Also, everything Amazon unveiled at its devices and services event this week. Here, everything you need to know about Amazon trade-in program, including the steps for shipping and answers to frequently asked question. How to use Amazon trade-in program? Let me set things straight. There are plenty of other trade-in services out there, many of which will likely yield higher rates of return and accept a greater variety of products and brands than Amazon. But the advantage of using Amazon program include the hassle-free shipping process, in-store discounts, and electronic gift cards that process directly into your account. Also, how to sign up for Amazon invite only Prime Day deals. If that sounds good to you, here a step-by-step walkthrough of the service. 1. Select the item to trade in. You shall want to start from Amazon trade-in portal. You can either choose from a range of Amazon-owned product categories like Kindles, tablets, streaming media player, and Echo speakers, or search from the other trade-in categories section, which includes mobile phones and gaming. Also, these 5 new Amazon features make finding the products you need even easier. Opening a category tab presents you with a manual search bar and list of products currently registered to your Amazon account. Select the item or items that you had like to trade in. The potential trade in value and discount will be listed beside each product name and model. Second, answer the qualifying question. Once you have selected your item to trade in, a qualifying questionnaire will appear for you to complete. The question revolves around the condition and status of your trade in item, including whether or not it's cracked or damaged, whether it can hold a charge, and more depending on the type of device. Your answer will be evaluated during the inspection process, so you shall want to be as honest and accurate as possible. Also, everything you need to know about Amazon Prime Big Deal says. If there is an inaccuracy detected, you can choose between taking a lower estimated trade in value for the electronic or having Amazon send it back to your shipping address. The latter is typically not offered with the trade-in program, so it's good to see. Third, ship the items. Once you have completed the questionnaire, you shall be provided with a US shipping label to pack and deliver your item.